Alright, this video is for Black Nova. I got your F-14 Tomcat fixed for you. I did have a mistake in there on your flaps line. I'll show you that in a minute, but here's it is working. So, you got your SB, your SD. Your SB is your flaps. Right here, your SD is your wing. And then you got SH, which is your brakes. And I'm assuming your brakes are using when you're in regular standard mode. So I'll show you that first. There you go. You can see your flaps, your flaps and your ailerons change. Watch this again. There you go. So you go to full flaps and full ailerons down. So now we're going to go into your takeoff flaps. There you go. Your 30, negative 39, 39, 39, 1. And your ailerons still function like they're supposed to, spoiler on. We're going to go into full flaps. You're at your 8, and here you go with your negative 100, full 100, and your ailerons do what they're supposed to. Now we're going to go into swing wing, and boom, instantaneously they go to negative 100 on the flaps, which is full up, and then neutral on your ailerons, and no aileron movement. Okay, so now we're going to come out of high performance mode. And you're going to see there, delay, here we go. And there you go. So you want right back into full flaps. And that switches just fine there. So I think we're all good now. And here's the change that I made. In your flat mixes, you only need the 3 lines here for what you're doing. And basically, I got rid of the switch positions. You don't need those because the flight modes are doing what they need. So 0, 1, and 2 is your flight modes for negative 100. For your negative 39 takeoff flaps is your 3, flight mode 3. And for your full flaps, 8 is 4 and 5. Flight modes 4 and 5. Again, no switch positions on any of that. You don't need that. That kind of confuses everything. And there's other ways you can do this. You know, I just use the flight modes and just have one line here on mine, and it just automatically, and then I use GVs. But it's up to you how you want. I just kind of stuck with what you had. So that should work for you. And I'm going to send this off to you. It's I'm going to give it a new name. It'll be F-14 New 1. Look for that one. That way you don't get confused with the F-14 New that I sent you earlier. All right? Hope it works.